Hola! In this lesson we're going to learn the basics of Spanish pronunciation. First of all, vowels. There are 5 vowels in Spanish. All of them are very strong, and there's only one sound for each and every one of them. A, América, camarero, waiter. E, España, periódico, newspaper. I, Italia, jardín, garden. O, oliva, olive, color, color. U, uva, grape. Cubertería, cutlery. Now the consonants. Most of them have the same sound as in English, so we're just going to focus on the different ones. In Spanish, the letter H is silent or mute. That means it has no sound. Hola, hello, herramienta, tool, huevo, egg, hospital, hospital. Letter C, it has 2 sounds. When C is followed by A, O, or U, C has the sound of letter K. Casa, house, coche, car, cubertería, cutlery. When C is followed by I or E, it has the Z sound. Centro, center, cine, cinema. In most of South America, the Z sound is pronounced as if were an S. Therefore, centro becomes centro, or cine becomes cine. This sound is also used in some regions of Spain, like Canarias or Andalucía. Letter Q, when is followed by an U, an E or I, sounds like K. Queso, cheese. 15, 15. B and V have the same sound in Spanish. Barcelona, Valencia. You can realize that it's exactly the same sound. Letter G, when is followed by A, O, or U, it has the G sound. Gato, cat, goal, goal. Guapo, handsome. When is followed by an U, E, or I, is pronounced G or G. Guerra, guitarra. But when letter G is followed by E or I, it has the J sound. Gente, people, or gimnasio, gym. And finally, letter R. You just have to know that there are soft R, like cara, face, or pero, but, and hard R. Hard R has this rolling sound, but is written differently depending on its placement. When hard R goes between vowels, is written as a double R, double R. For example, perro, burro, correr. When hard R appears at the beginning of a word, is written as a single R. For example, rojo or rosa. And hard R is written as a single R also when it appears behind letters S, N, and L. For example, Israel, Enrique, or alrededor.